Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I am sharing with you London Calling, and this is by Edward Bloor. And I just love this cover. It's an old-timey looking radio. So in this book, our main character, Martin, is just sleeping his life away. He's unhappy, he has no goals, and he's just very sad. Until one day, an English boy appears to him and has one urgent question to ask him. Will you help me? So for Martin's sanity, he starts to think that this has got to be a dream, or he's imagining it. But then one dream turns into 2 and 3 and 4, and Jimmy starts to appear over and over and over with his one simple question, will you help me? Where did this boy come from? Is he a dream? But how can these dreams be taking place in London when Martin's never even been to London? How can he wake up with all of these facts and people and places in his head that he's never actually seen before? But then with a little bit of research, maybe he has seen them. To find out, you would have to read London is Calling. So lots of great mystery and adventure in this book. Is it a dream? Is it a ghost? Has Martin really been there? To find out, read London Calling. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.